Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing the UAG case for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So guys, here's the package directly from the Indian Post. For some reason they chose to ship it with the Indian Post, and here's how it looks like. Not so pretty. Now this case costs around $60, and with a coupon code maybe you can get it for cheaper. But surprisingly, we also got a custom duty of around 657 rupees. That's about 650 rupees. So that was something I never expected. And I'm pretty sure I never paid any customs for the previous UAG cases. So overall, if you take the price of $60 and the 700 rupees approximately for customs, this case is going to cost about 5,000 rupees. All approximately. Anyway, let's open it up first. That's the basic thing. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be open in this way, but let's do it anyway. So this is probably the invoice. Let me just put that aside. So guys, this is the UAG Monarch series case for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and this is the packaging. On the front it says drop tested, some 2x protection I guess. On the right side it says top green leather, and at the bottom it says premium protection Monarch series Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And over here it says designed for Samsung. On the back we get to see some more information, and it even says 10 years of limited warranty if you're going to use this phone for 10 years. So this is unboxing, pretty simple I guess. And this is all we get inside the box. So this is the case, and we are done with the box. So guys, this is how the case looks like. Comparatively, I like it better than the previous Monarch series case that I got for Samsung S9 Plus. This looks much cleaner. It has all this leather texture over here, plastic framing all around, and underneath it has this honeycomb texture which actually protects it from drops. Now let's put this case on, and putting it up is pretty simple. Just it's like a slip-on case, and there we go, it's already in. And this is how the phone looks with the case on. So you got all the cutouts, especially a huge lip for the camera module, and it has a slight raised lip even for the front display, especially at the top over here. So even when you place your phone directly on its face, display doesn't get in contact with the surface. So once again, a pretty good thing. Now with the case on, phone weighs almost 239 grams, and still in hand it doesn't feel all that heavy. Like, it has a bit of weight to it, but still doesn't feel all that heavy. Weight distribution is still pretty good. I have been using UAG cases for quite a long time now, and I have dropped many phones with a UAG case, and all those phones survived. And that's one of the main reasons why I always stick with the UAG cases. Now even with the case on, buttons are sufficiently elevated and they have a nice clicky tactile feel to it, which I really love. So even with the case on, phone doesn't feel all that heavy or all that different. Now one thing I'm concerned about is the wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. So let's test that out now. Now this is a regular Qi wireless charger, and let's test it out with the case on. Now it shows that there is charging going on, and we've just seen an animation on the phone itself. So even with the case on, wireless charging works, but it might be slightly slower than when your phone is naked. Now let's test reverse wireless charging. As you can see, reverse wireless charging is also possible even with the case on, but once again transfer speed might be slightly slower than when your phone is naked. So guys, if you're looking for a super sturdy case that can protect your phone from any kind of drop, then you can definitely consider the UAG Monarch series case. I'll leave a link for this product in the description, so check it out if you're interested. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy this phone, please use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.